Go Hammer, go Hammer,
Can we just
go
give it a
Hammer,
stage?
go Hammer, go Hammer. Hey.
I need dancing lessons, guys. I really do. I really do.
Oh,
Jason,
do
stop
you
being
like
a sore
hammers,
loser.
right?
Huh?
You
I
like
like hammers.
Yeah, she's a bad girl.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
Welcome back to the show, and those were our two rappers. Also, keep supporting them, like I said, on social media. Show them love, because you don't know who might be the next big thing. So it's best you start showing love right now. But we have something coming up.
Of course, right now is a time where we hear from you. Yes, whether you're enjoying the show or not. Well, I mean, how can you not enjoy the show? How can you not? On our big screen are your messages. Let's see if you get some weird handles today.
Yeah.
Okay, go Jason.
Oh.
He's looking at your DP,
Who's
girl.
Angie?
Eesh.
Who's it? Okay, I'm going to put this in my head. She said, you make the show twice as nice with a heart emoji. Angie.
Hey.
Angie, okay. That's
Oh,
in my head.
hold
That's
on
in
a
my
second. Look. If it wasn't Sandra Quay, she says, if it wasn't DJ Virusky, I mean, who could mash up the
Nobody.
show? You see?
Nobody.
Nobody.
From Brantford, Che says MX Beats is a show packed with so much talented people. Yes, I mean, we have Miss Drew, so.
And we have
yeah,
Jason
you know,
and we have
yeah,
Virusky.
yeah, of course.
Like, this is the biggest DJ in the world. And this guy with his music. And one day you need to come and do a freestyle
I will,
for us.
though. I
Don't
will.
say you
I just
will.
need
You
a
need to.
bunch of ladies in bikinis.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
From Colin Styles, he said, DJ Virusky, your energy is just mad.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. I mean, he knows it. Miss Drew, I think you should read this.
Hey, Moses Mars.
Moses, be very careful.
Moses Moss. He
Wow.
said, Miss Drew, you are as fine as heaven, girl. Okay,
Wow.
well, I didn't know heaven could look this good.
But keep the messages coming through. Talk to us. Stay interactive, because, this show is for you, but for you, basically.
Well,
yeah.
indeed. And that, of course, brings us to our next segment. I mean, all of the segments on this show are just lit.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
this
right.
one, I enjoyed the most. Like, we get a performance, okay? Again, it's a surprise. So, Virusky, who are you dropping on us today?
Okay, so you know normally I go with the accolades and everything.
Uh-huh.
But this time around,
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. I just want to do this with the music. Let's do it.
It's about time to introduce herself to the world.
So you know this person right now.
It's rough and smooth. She got swagger. She be sweet like banana. She just come from Ghana.
So this is a count from Rough and Smooth. Okay.
Dance for me. Dance my baby. Dance for me. Wine for me. Wine for me.
All right. So that was throwback. Let's get to the real thing right now. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Akan, formerly of Rough and Smooth.
Stuck in the struggle of life. Searching the tunnel for light. You cannot live in the light.
Let's go. Okay.
Now in front of Ferrari, we used to eat in a hurry. Now we get no more worry. Catch up who say hey, Jack Onyaya Sugar. That's my money on payday. And I'm in it. Hi. Ala Wakuba. Ala Wakuba.
Okay.
I'm getting all the money. Ala Wakuba. My house is just a pay. Ala Wakuba. Break me a bone, me a chop, me a calcium.
Aludinia Fradicon is in potassium. Me a bright,
Me a color,
me a silver,
magnesium.
pharmaceutical think like
Come and me to me press double like a discount tablets. What pedro? Hey, hey. From distance,
Okay.
it's a white boy you for instance. Cowboy cheating in titty. Me free talent way from in. Hey, hey. Minima can, minima can, minima can, minima can, yeah. I can, yes he can, yes he can. Hey, hey. Ala Wakuba,
Okay.
Ala Wakuba. I'm getting all the money, Ala Wakuba.
That's right.
My house is just a pay, Ala Wakuba.
Okay.
DJ Virusky.
Welcome to MX Beats, bro.
Thank you, bro.
So that was Akan, formerly of Rough and Smooth, live with us on MX Beats. Charlie Jason, what's up? You want to tell us something?
Yeah, I'm good. I
okay.
mean, you know, one thing I spoke with him about soon as we go on the show was the fact that he's been doing this for so long. And that's the first question I'm going to ask. First, welcome to the show.
Hey.
Amazing performance. And exactly since 2002.
Yo.
That's almost
Do the
20
maths.
years. 18 years to be specific.
Yeah. Oh my
What has
goodness.
kept you going for so long? Why hasn't Hakan given up? I mean, a lot of artists do give up along the way, but what has kept you going?
For me, I think it's the music, you know. It's the music spirit that keep me going, yeah, because I don't think I can do anything aside music. So I'm more I'm music. I'm the definition for music.
Eesh, the definition of music is I can.
That is it.
I like that. I like that. So I mean, what is it that even inspires your music? Because you've made so many songs. What's your inspiration?
I mean, I pick inspiration from so many things. Like, for instance, like I write most of my songs in the morning. So when I wake up in the morning after praying.
Are you sure after praying?
Yeah, of course. You have to pray.
You're such a naughty boy.
Are you sure it's just after praying?
This guy
I know
is
that
naughty.
Baroski will always go on the phone before.
You
praying,
see,
yeah.
he'll do plenty things before praying.
So you know, I pick inspiration from like my surroundings, things that happen, you know, maybe a day before, like things that happen in my life, in people's life, you know, so many things,
Now, a lot of people might not know this, but being in a group is actually very difficult because, I mean, it's two different people, two different personalities, two different ideas, you know, concepts. I want this. What kept you and Bullet going for so long? Was it the friendship? Was it just you guys just gelled together? And yeah, what was it like being in a group generally?
I mean, like you said, like being in a group is very difficult. Yeah, it's not an easy thing. Yeah. You know, for me, I started as a solo artist. Bullet also started as a solo artist.
Oh, okay.
And we came together to form a group, and you know, we are now solo artists. We were living as brothers.
Oh, okay.
You know, when we started, so I think that was one of the main things that really kept us going as a group, because we started as brothers. We were living in the same house. We were doing everything together, basically. So, I mean, we're doing it like family thing. Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, it got to a point in Ghana, every big song was from Rough and Smooth.
Come on, it's
From
rough
Swagger
and smooth.
to Dance For Me to, what's it called? Help me with it.
Sex Machine,
Break your
Azingele,
waist,
Sex
Azingele.
Machine.
I mean, you guys controlled Ghana. I mean, I'm not happy with you guys falling apart and all that. But what's the relationship now with Bullet? Like, you guys are still cool. You guys are. Because there was a recent song that came out. People thought it was a shot at Bullet, and everybody was like, "What's happening? Are you guys still cool?"
Yeah, of course, we're still cool. For me, I think it's the music thing that was, you know, keeping us together. So after, you know,
So you guys were not really friends. You guys were just doing.
no, we are still cool, but because we are not doing music together,
Okay.
like we are not talking on daily basis. Yeah. So. Because the music thing is not there, like the Rough and Smooth thing is not there.
But
Because
trust me,
individual-
I miss Rough and Smooth.
Yeah,
though.
me too.
I
So
wish
will there
we could
ever be a
have-
Rough and Smooth again? I mean,
Ah.
I mean, 2021
Yes,
is
tell
coming
us,
up.
let us
You
know.
know, Bullet is working, you're working, you're
Yeah.
making money. Is there ever going to be a Rough and Smooth?
It depends.
Maybe like a show. Do a
Like,
virtual show
yeah,
for
of
us.
course.
Jason, like, listen.
You know? You know? You know?
Go back. Hey,
No.
Freestyle.
Charlie, we miss this Rough and Smooth.
Yeah, of course. You know, that's my beginning to stardom. Like
Okay.
Rough and Smooth is when everything started. So of course, I know people miss the group. Yeah. But for me, I think being in a group is very difficult, like you said. Yeah. So for me, I don't think I will ever be in a group again.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
But-
like, it's over. Like,
Eesh.
No. But yeah, I mean, Rough and Smooth can come back. Who knows?
Well, he
can
said
come back
they'll
and
have a virtual show.
can come.
We
Yeah,
have
come back
to.
and do a show. But being in a group is
Nice
not
one,
my
nice
thing now.
one.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
one,
I
yeah.
mean, I can't. For you, now you're on your own, you're doing your thing.
Yeah.
What can we expect for you? What have you got coming up for us?
I mean, I've got a lot of things. I'm working on an album. I have an EP
Okay.
that is about to drop online. Like,
What's it called? Give us an exclusive.
the EP is Akan Drama.
Oh,
Hey.
drama.
Yeah,
that's
Akan
cute,
Drama.
so
That's a really cool
that's
name.
a wordplay.
You see, I
can't
can't drama.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And drama is defining rare Afrobeat music in Africa.
This guy's deep. I like it. Say it slowly for them one more time. Look at the camera. Say it slowly.
Drama
to
is
them.
what? defining
Real Afrobeat music.
Defining real
In Africa.
Afrobeats music.
Wow.
Shall I hear a rapper?
You know?
Are you a rapper?
Wow, that's cool.
Me and
Yeah.
No, I started as a rapper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I started as a rapper. Like,
That explains the wordplay and everything.
yeah. I started as a rapper.
I've known Akan for some time now, like for a long while. When it comes to writing, like
Yeah.
this dude is like on point. So how's your solo like journey been like?
I mean, it's always not going to be easy from the beginning, but you know, as time goes on, I know that we're gonna take over. For me, like with the group, I mean, we achieve a lot with the group. So for me to go a step higher than what we did with the group, I know that it's gonna take like some time.
Yeah.
You know, it's a process. It's a process thing. So it's a procedure thing. So everything is gonna be.
I think
falling.
one thing I'm really taking from what you're doing now, what you're saying is, it seems like you're not depending on anything you've done in the past. It's
No.
Brand new, fresh start.
No, one thing-
where's that energy from?
Yeah, one thing people don't get is like when you are in a group and there's a breakup. For you as an artist, now you are going solo, right? We normally don't see it as you are starting from the beginning, because when you are in a group and there's a breakup, you are definitely starting from the beginning.
Nice one.
But most of the people depend on the group, like they want to ride on the group thing too. But that is one of the reasons why it becomes very difficult for people to, like people from a group. Yeah, because for me, I think that for me, I said to myself that I'm starting from the beginning, starting from the bottom, and we're gonna be there. Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah.
So then where do you expect to see yourself in the next 5 years? You've been here
5
for
years.
18, the next 5 years, what can
Next
we
5 years,
expect?
there.
Where do you need to be?
I mean, for me, my dream is to have a song that will be big in the world. A song that can blow the whole world.
International.
Nice one.
Yeah, the whole world, though. Because I mean, like
Done
I
Africa.
said,
You've done it before. I mean,
Yes,
so
that's
easy. You've done it before. You've done
and you
Africa.
can do it again.
yeah. So that is the step I'm going.
Okay.
I want my music to take over. Like let's say, we wake up one day and Akan music is number one in the world.
Nice one.
Yeah,
Nice
that's what.
one.
That's what I'm aiming at. And I know that it's not going to be easy.
It's
so
gonna happen, man. It's gonna.
yeah,
happen.
it's gonna happen. Yeah.
It's gonna happen. I like
Yeah,
that. It's gonna
why
happen.
not?
Miss Drew, what's up next?
Well, you already know we cannot have a show without answering some of your personal questions. And so on our lovely screen is what you guys have been asking us on Insta. Twitter. So Kelvin Peter says, Akan, how were you coping with music when you traveled outside the country?
Yeah, I mean, when I travel outside the country, like I do a lot of collaborations with different artists. For instance, with the album that I'm dropping, it's a world album. It's an album that I decided to, feature artists from different parts of the continent. So I have, Puerto Rican, like I have Spanish artists on. I have Francophone artists. I have artists from China. I want to, you see the vision,
Wow.
We want to.
Chanson.
Chinese.
Chanson.
Xiaoyong.
Yeah, so like I'm basically, when I'm outside, I'm mostly recording with artists from different part of
That's nice. I like that you didn't give up whenever you were. Okay. Sotum Soldier says, great EP, Akan. I love the songs on it. Akan Drama. Interesting.
I can't drama, yeah.
From Ikia Dangote. Whoa.
Hey,
This girl got money.
hey,
Hit me up.
Black Beauty.
She says, Ablekuma Nanalace is a whole vibe on the Blessing song. How did that come about? Because Nanalace is actually really dope.
Yeah.
He's really cool. How did that come
like he has something that I don't think people have really discovered yet, but he's very talented.
Yeah, he is.
Very, very talented.
Yeah.
It's just that he have a comic way of doing things, but he's very, very talented. Yeah. So with the featuring, when I came to Ghana, I think he was trending that time, and I like his vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Love
so-
energy.
Yeah. And I had always wanted to do something different from what we always see. So I decided to just put Ablekuma Nanalace and AY Poyo on a track.
Oh.
On the track, I'll just do the hook and I let them do their thing. Yeah.
Do their thing, right?
But later on, I decided to add Shatabando.
Yeah, we saw him.
Yeah, on the song. He wasn't a musician, but I turned him into
Yeah, the
a
vibe,
musician.
right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I wonder
That's
where
how
that
it
guy
came
is
about.
now.
From Bad Boy Composer, he says, Akan Music, what brought about this? What brought about the splitting of Rough and Smooth? I mean, this is a question I'm sure you get all the time. So
Yeah, every day,
I don't know if
every
you want to
minute,
clear
every
the
hour.
air.
Every day. Oh, clear it here on MX Beats.
Yeah, I think it got to a time that, individually, like, everybody wanted to do different things. Bullet wanted to go into full-time management. Yeah, which for me, I felt like, he was supposed to sit down with all of us and explain what he wants to do so that, we can, help each other in any way we can help, yeah. But aside that, when I got to realize that this is what he wanted to do, I supported him from the beginning. Like when he got Ebony and all those artists, like anytime I'm in Ghana, I was going to studio with him.
Yeah.
Like we're doing things together that time. But I think what really brought about the breakup was some of the interviews he was doing, which he was putting a lot of blame on me that I'm the main reason why the group broke up. Meanwhile, that was not the case. So I was like, man, then let me just sit at my corner and do my thing. Yeah. Because I was sitting at my corner doing my thing, and he actually approached me to be in a group. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, I didn't know all of this.
I didn't know either.
I mean, hopefully one day in the future everything gels back together.
Yeah.
Maybe
you
you
never
can.
know, right?
I just want it to.
Oh, of course, we can
to
do
be
something.
like an official ending with a virtual concert or a concert going back with all of the songs, and then you can say, okay, bye bye.
I mean, it can happen, but I'm more for I'm building the brand I can.
Yeah.
And like I told you, I'm starting from the scratch. So
Yeah. So
I have to focus there more. What did I say?
And congratulations, you're doing
Thank
a
you,
lot
bro.
of work. Congratulations. Adjoa Deborah, our last tweet for today says, are you working on any new project before the year ends?
Yeah, I'm actually dropping the new song, Winner. The title is Winner.
Winner.
Yeah, so after Blessing, we are winning.
Kind of a winner.
Yeah, so the title is Winner. Then the EP is gonna be online soon. So that's what I'm working on for the year. But next year, I mean, we've recorded a whole lot of songs. So from next year, you guys will start hearing.
Yeah, more energy, more fire, right?
Yeah.
Love
More
it, we
energy,
love
more
it, love
fire.
it. Now, of course, it's time for Akan. You need to introduce your music video. That's your camera. Let us know what we're about to see.
Hey, what's up, man? People, this is your boy Akan. Watch out. Watch this video, Blessing featuring AY Poyo, Ablekumanana Lays, and Shatta Bando. Boom!